Here's how to give an AI coding agent real access without risking your data, your keys, or your money. The trick is to make the useful things easy and the catastrophic things structurally hard. Set this up before you build. Start with one idea. An agent does what it's allowed to do, not what you hoped it would do. So safety isn't a setting you flip once, it's the environment you put the agent in. First, least privilege. Give the smallest access that gets the job done. Read-only beats write. A scope token beats an account-wide one. A test project beats production. You can always grant more later. You can't unleak a key. Next, separate environments. Work in a sandbox. A throwaway folder, repo, or container with its own test data. Keep production and real customer data out of reach while you're learning. If it breaks, you delete it and start over. 10 secrets. The agent should never see your real keys. Don't paste them into a prompt or a file it reads. Use environment variables or a secrets manager. Use test keys with low spend caps. And if a secret ever leaks, rotate it right away. Now permissions. Keep yourself in the loop for the actions that matter. Deletes. Deploying. Sending. Spending. Use a propose then approve mode, so you sign off on anything you can't undo. 2 more guardrails. Put a spend cap on every paid API, so a runaway loop costs cents, not your rent. And know your stop button before you run anything, the exact way to kill it. Test it first. Do all this and your worst case becomes simple. Delete the folder and try again. That's the whole point. Build the safe room first, then let the agent work in it.